Want to unlock a discount or special offer on Temu? Here's how to add your code. First, start by opening the Temu app or visiting temu.com. Now log into your account. Here at the top right corner, you can see the profile icon. Tap on it. Now tap on coupons and offers. Here you can see the box to enter the code. Enter the code and hit apply. Double check the code to ensure it's valid and has not expired. And that's it. This is how you can add a code on Temu. Drop a comment and let me know what discount code you have used. Don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.